In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text boxes in Google Docs. If you've been looking to add a creative touch to your documents, curving your text can certainly make a statement. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs. This is going to be your workspace where you'll eventually place your stylish curved text. Once you have your document open, the next step is to visit a handy online tool that will help you achieve this effect. Head over to inkpx.com. Here you'll find a feature specifically designed for our task today, the Curved Text Generator. This tool is user-friendly and quite versatile, making it perfect for creating the design you're after. When you've arrived at the Curved Text Generator, you'll see options to customize your curved text. The first thing you'll want to do is select the style or design that best fits your needs. There are quite a few to choose from, each offering a distinct look and feel. Once you've chosen a layout, it's time to get creative. Enter the text you want to curve. This might be a simple phrase, a title, or anything that suits your document's purpose. Next, you'll have the opportunity to fine-tune the appearance of your text. Adjust the size to make sure it's just right for the space you're working with. You can also change the font to match the overall tone and mood of your document. Don't forget about color. Adding a splash of color can really make your text pop and attract the reader's attention. After you've played around with these settings and are happy with the design, it's time to save your work. Click on the download button and make sure to save your curved text as a PNG file. PNGs are great because they maintain high-quality visuals, which is exactly what we want. Now that you have your design saved, open the file to check that everything looks good. With your image open, the next step is to copy it. You can easily do this by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the image to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into your document. Switch back to your Google Docs tab and click where you'd like to insert your beautifully crafted curved text. Press Ctrl+V to paste it right into your document. And there you have it, a striking and professional-looking curved text